Do you suspect you may have leaky gut? How do you know you have leaky gut syndrome? I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and welcome to this episode on leaky gut syndrome. So, how would you know and how could you be tested for leaky gut? Well, there are some tests that you can actually request, and usually this is with a specialist, someone who really delves into digestive health, and maybe it's a naturopathic doctor or a functional medicine practitioner. So one of the tests is called the zonulin test, and this is a blood test, and if your zonulin levels are high, then it may indicate that you have leaky gut syndrome. Another test is a urine test. So what you do is you ingest some sugars, so lactulose and mannitol, and then about 6 hours after you've ingested them, you are checking your urine, and this is something that if it goes through undigested, that would indicate that you would have leaky gut syndrome. There are other specialized tests that are, again, like the IgG test, and this is a food intolerance test, and also stool samples can be done to check for leaky gut syndrome. So if you've got questions about this video, please leave your questions and comments below. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate if you share this information with someone who you may think may need some information about testing for leaky gut syndrome. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click that bell so you always get notified of my newest and latest uploads. And remember to always take care of your good health and to do it naturally. Thanks for joining me today.